Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video we are doing a perfume review. This perfume have been out for quite some time now and I've been meaning to get it, but I've been meaning to get it until now. I got it. So yeah, I purchased this iwantchoo perfume. So I was like, let me just come in here and give it my thought, even if late. It's been out for almost a year now. So, and I wanted to see what was the hype about, because everyone has been like, you know, raving about it, and I wanted to see what it is about. So my first impression, I love the bottle. I love the packaging. It's very sparkly. It's red, and yeah, it's really nice. It's classy. So yeah, but that's not what we are here for. We are here for the main project, which is the perfume itself. So how is it? The bottle is really nice. It's really nice. This comes off though. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So yeah, it's really nice. And let's talk about the packaging first. It's not you know, normally I know the Jimmy Choo, they have these circle round bottles. They are quite, you know, so it looks different, which is, it makes it a bit unique. It's really nice. I like this bottle. So let's spray this. Oh my goodness, like I don't know if I'm the one who just broke it or not, but so let's do it. Oh, it sprays well. Did you guys see that? Let's do it. Do you see that? It sprays really well. So it's nice. So this is this perfume, it's it is a white floral perfume. I love this perfume. It sprays nice. I can it has some vanilla undertone to it, and but the main dominant here is the jasmine. It is very powerful. It is very powerful, and it's very strong. Very feminine. I get it why it has some views like that, why everyone is loving the perfume. It has some fruitiness to it. It's really lovely. You know me and perfumes. I love perfumes. If you have watched my previous videos on perfumes, I don't know how to describe them, but this is nice. The vanilla becomes a bit warmer once it dries down, and the jasmine is the main dominant in this perfume. It's really beautiful. When I read the notes, it says it has some oranges or mandarins or something like that. I don't feel that at all. I don't. No way. No, I don't smell the mandarins and all that, what they're saying. The main dominant here is the jasmine. Is the note that is the main note that you can actually smell from the beginning till the end, when it dries down. For lasting, this perfume doesn't last on me for some reason, but it keeps on. And if I wear it, if I wear this, I will need to have the bottle with me so that I can keep putting it on. So within 2 hours this will not last on me, but it is beautiful. It is strong. It is initially when you spray it, it's very powerful. It's very strong. This will not be a daytime scent for me personally. This will be an evening scent. If I were to rock during the day, it will need to be a special occasion where maybe there's like a special occasion. Really, it's not a perfume that I can just put on. I won't be able to pull it off during the day, but it's really nice. I'm not quite sure if you have this perfume, tell me what you think of it. I love it. It smells really nice. However, it doesn't last on me, And yeah, the jasmine is everything, and that when it dries, that is beautiful. It's lovely. It's lovely. Anyway, yeah, that's my take on this perfume. It's really, really beautiful, and it's now been added to my ever growing collection. So yeah, so this is my Jimmy Choo. So tell me what you guys think. If you have this perfume on your collection, let me know what you think, when you wear it, how you wear it, and yeah, I'll be able to try it as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.